Hi everyone and welcome to Owen's kitchen. Today I'm going to make fish and chips. This is a traditional dish in the UK and this is really easy to make at home. Today I'm making fish batter without beer. So let's get started. Here I have cod fillet. I rinsed the fish in cold water and patted with paper towel. Now I'm going to season with some salt. And this fish enough for one person. Here I got some plain flour, add some salt into this, mix it up and set it aside. Now ready to make batter, add in 6 tablespoons of plain flour into the bowl. I make in extra batter because I have more fish in the fridge. If you want to make it small, you could cut this recipe in half or quarter. And 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Half teaspoons of baking powder, a little bit of white pepper, some salt, a small amount of turmeric. This will give us a really nice beautiful color. Little bit of fresh milk, about 25 ml, some cold water, about 100 milliliter. If you want to, you can add some curry powder, chili powder, any kind of seasoning to your preference. Whisk again to make sure all the ingredients are well combined. Traditionally, this fish batter make with some beer, but today I'm making without beer and this works really better. It's kind of pancake mix. Here I have 1 egg white. Whisk the egg white. The batter normally little bit of thick but not too runny. Now straight into the batter. Fold that in. Now this is nice smooth consistency. Coat the batter back of a spoon like this. This is consistency what I'm looking for. Now batter is ready. First I'm going to dredge it into some flour. Make sure the fish cover really well. And this will help the batter stick to the fish and shake up the excess flour. Now into the batter, drop that in and make sure the fish is very well coated. Here I have preheated the oil. Now lift it up, drain off any excess batter, pop that straight into the pan. Cook for 3 minutes on each side or until it's nice and golden brown. Fish cooks very quickly, but it depends on how thick or thin or what types of fish you're cooking. And flip this over. It's looking amazing. Now this is almost ready. They are done. Place them on a paper towel, drain off any excess oil. And here final result, lovely fish. And also I have homemade chips and homemade tartar sauce. With this you can serve with malt vinegar. I will show you how to make homemade chips and tartar sauce with beer batter fish in my future videos. This is easy to make and so delicious. This simple recipe that you can enjoy at home anytime you want to and you feel for a British meal. And give it a try. It doesn't take too long to cook. Now time to taste. Some salt, vinegar, little bit of tartar sauce. This is so delicious. Look at this. And don't forget to click the subscribe button as well bell icon and you will be notified when I upload a new recipe. watching. I'll see you soon.